What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today I am going to show you how you can find Telegram groups. Telegram groups are chat features within the Telegram app that allows users to communicate with large audiences, accommodating up to 200,000 members. They support sharing messages, media, and files, and can be public or private. Admins can manage membership and organize discussions with topics, making them ideal for communities, businesses, and event coordination. To join a Telegram group, first we need to go ahead and open up Telegram on our device. And from here, tap on the search icon on the top right corner and just type the group that you want to join or you are interested in. So say for example, let's go ahead and type street food, and after that it is going to show some results. Now if you don't see anything that is interesting here, you can always tap on show more and it is going to give you more results. Now if you find something that catches your interest, you can go ahead and click it. So for example, let's look at this one. And to join this group, all you have to do is tap on the join button right here and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.